All right, let's get things rolling. Um, Once again, thank you everyone for joining the LTS Products webinar. My name is Joel Racinos. I'm the marketing event coordinator here at LTS, and joined with me is Lily G, our creative manager, Louis Chung, one of our sales engineers, and we have a special guest, Madeline Bethel, who's the product ma marketing manager at Western Digital. And we have a very cool presentation for you guys today. And afterwards, we're also going to have a special presentation from Western Digital, followed by our trivia questions. And be be sure to pay attention to the presentations because the trivia questions are directly derived from the presentations that we'll be doing. And if you do well in the trivia section, we're actually going to do a prize giveaway based on who got the most correct answers. We're going to be giving away two raffle gifts today. So be sure to stick around for the trivia and also the prize giveaway. Then we're going to be doing a Q&A section where you guys can ask either Madeline or Louis any questions you may have about the presentation or anything about LTS that you want to know about. We'll do our best to get them answered today, and if not, we'll be sure to reach out to you later on with our answers. So without further ado, let's introduce LTS. LTS is a US-based video surveillance solutions and technology product specialist with over 16 years in the industry and nearly 100K customers served globally. We lead the industry with a comprehensive product line of high-quality video surveillance equipment, and we have 11 branches nationwide. Our business development team also is up and coming that covers California, Georgia, and Florida. This team proactively engages with new dealers in the field through face-to-face visits, branch events, and job site walkthroughs, as well as end user and presentations. In addition to our large inventory, we provide first-class customer service to our installers. No matter the market or project, our goal is to make sure you succeed and make the world safer. Now, without further ado, I'm going to pass it off to Louis Chung for our product presentation. Louis, take it away.
Okay, so welcome everybody to this month's showcase of ProX. So we will explore the evolution of this great product line, and we will talk about the latest implementation of features that will aid in the quicker installation process, along with the power intelligence to impress the consumers. So for those not familiar with ProX, this is a NDAA compliant product line, meaning that it does adhere to the federal guidelines required for deployment in government and in sensitive environments. We do offer a limited lifetime warranty for this, so it's a statement for to talk about our confidence in the quality and the reliability of these products. ProX products offerings are they do provide a complete all-in-one solution for all the projects that you may have. So let's talk a little about ProX and where it came from. So the idea of ProX first came into fruition in the year 2020. This product line was designed with feedback from our valued customers like all of you here and was made to meet the ever-growing demands of the market. So the emphasis on providing a powerful security solution along with ease of use was the main factor in designing this product. Official launch of ProX came in 2023, and they started showing up in all our local offices then. Sure, there were some growing pains along with the customers not really wanting to learn a new UI and ecosystem, but now in 2025, we are proud to introduce the latest generation of ProX. So we've got a product that is now smarter, is sharper, and more focused for the user than ever before. So in this webinar, we will kind of explore a few new updates on ProX. So this would include our new AI ISP cameras and then some upcoming products. We'll also take a look at our new ProX app and the updated MVR interface, which will allow for greater functionality of our ProX products. So first, we will talk about AI ISP. So this takes our popular 24/7 color cameras to the next level and will provide a superior image in low lighting environments. So these image improvements will pretty much allow a brighter image overall. And with this brighter image, we do see a reduction in noise, a reduction in motion blur. And so we still have all the technologies and detections that we had in our previous 24/7 color cameras, along with some new detections that are available. Here's an example of these two color cameras side by side. So we've got the 24/7 color cameras along with the AI ISP 24/7 color cameras. So you'll notice that the additional imaging chip inside the ISP cameras, they provide an overall brighter image while allowing for the sharper details. Now let's talk about the software side, mainly the interface. We have updated the user interface of the MVR along with adding to the capabilities of it. We also have a new app for our Pro X product line, which is called the Pro X Next. So let's first look at the new user interface of our MVR. This is our user interface 2.0. So it is designed with simplicity in mind. So some of the things that we changed are going to be the taskbar at the top. You'll notice that we do have a new color scheme. We also have some new icons that are showing up. So all along in this user interface, we do have some very tasteful upgrades for that. But it's not all just visual. We also have a 3 times faster playback speed. So we are able to search and find our footage a lot easier. We also have new enhancements for our X search. So this is our new X search 2.0. And along with all these additional features, we still have the stability and the security aspects that are improved. The app is also something that has been updated and improved. So you'll notice in that video clip, we have the old app, which is the Pro X app, compared to the new one, which is the Pro X Next. The load times are a lot better. So we have kind of made the whole app a lot more streamlined and more efficient. So that's why we do have an improvement in the loading speeds. One of the cool features I like about the new Pro X Next app is the ability to view the live footage and the playback all in one screen. So you'll see right here in this video that yes, we do have the cameras playing, but along the bottom we have the timeline where we can kind of scrub back and forth. So no longer are the times where if we're looking at one video in the live view, we have to kind of tap on back, click into the playback mode, and then look, select which camera. And so this is all a lot streamlined and makes it a lot easier for y'all to view the footage that you're needing. The new Pro X Next app also provide one tap arm and disarm. So this would work for features such as the active deterrence. So meaning your flashing lights, your sirens, your audio alerts, they are all put in one spot in your app. So you can do it from the app instead of requiring you to go to the actual unit to turn on and off. This also will work for any type of alarm outputs. You can turn on the notifications, turn on the on and off the email alerts, pop-up alerts, etc. The next thing is going to be our license plates. So if y'all have any LPRs, so these license plate recognition cameras, they have improved the alerts on the app itself. So whenever you receive an alert from the camera, whenever the camera gets triggered, it senses a license plate, you will get a more advanced notice, or it's a lot quicker to receive the notification that, the license plate has been triggered. And the next thing is we will actually see a lot of information being shown in a couple different spots. So from your notification tab, you will note that, all right, this is the app that we're running, which is in this case the Pro X Next. We also will show what is the recorder, what is the camera or the camera name for that camera being shown, what type of alert it is, and then the date and time for this information. When we tap on the actual notification, it brings up all this information. So the information meaning like the screenshot, the vehicle itself, and everything that you're wanting to know on that vehicle. So it's a great, precise way to stay informed and manage uh, everything in real time wherever you are. Not only is our ProX app just for our camera systems, so camera systems meaning our recorders like our NVRs or IP cameras, but it also is used with our access control system and our door stations. So it is more or less a unified type of system, a unified ecosystem. With your login, when you log into the app, you are able to view the footage. You can unlock doors, get alerts. You can manage your devices. So this is truly an all-in-one solution that simplifies your management and the way you configure your entire network. Keep in mind that with all this being said, you don't need to do anything like port forwarding. So just turn on the cloud access on all of these devices, meaning like your recorders, your cameras, if you're adding them in standalone, your access control controllers, etc. And that is all that is needed. You don't need to do any port forwarding, which uh, can be a security risk. Next, let me introduce an exciting new product that is already available. It just came out and we do have them in stock, and it is our new Pro X door station. So this door station, it has a 4.3-inch LCD touchscreen and also dual lenses. So it gives you a clear visual and easy interaction. This unit does support multiple types of authentication. So we have the standard card, we have the key fob, we can do face recognition and use a password. This unit also has a large capacity, so it supports up to 6,000 users, 10,000 cards, and will log up to 300,000 events. So it is built for both convenience and scalability. But using the door station itself, when people are at the door station, it will actually go into the app, and from the app, you are able to talk to whoever's there and remotely unlock the door. And this is all using your Pro X Next app. So as I was saying before, the ProX Next app is the newest app for our ProX product line. That doesn't mean you can't use the old app, which is just called the ProX app itself. You can still use it, but if you're wanting all the new features and the abilities, then go ahead and install the new one. It is available for iOS and Android, so we do have support on all the phone and mobile ecosystems out there. And all you're needing to do once it is installed is just log in with your account, so your username, password, and you have all the access to all your devices. You don't even need to uninstall the old app. You can just run both of them at the same time. But uh, for all the newer abilities, then just use the new one here. So just search for ProX Next in your respective app store and you're good to go. So we talked about the new products, how ProX makes your installation and management a lot easier. let's talk about how we can bring a lot of value to your customers. We have created the installer tool packages. So what are these are actually flyers showcasing kind of pain points in the industry. What are some real world scenarios or kind of examples, and also product solutions that we can use to eliminate those types of pain points. So if you're wanting to kind of get some more information on certain products, or you can even use these to help sell these products to the customers. You can find these materials on the LTS website. It's under the Solutions tab. You can also get these flyers by contacting your sales representatives, and they will be able to email it out or send a text message out to y'all with that information. We also have our sales engineering team. So if you're wanting to get more information from the technical aspect on any of our devices, any of our products, then feel free to contact your sales rep. We are here to help with kind of product introductions, product trainings. If you need anything as far as a conference with your customer, like your end user, or training for you and your sales team, we are able to provide that type of assistance. And that concludes my presentation here. Let me hand it back over to Joel.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Louis, for that presentation. Very well said. I think now we're going to go on to our special guest, the product marketing manager at Western Digital. Everyone give like a digital round of applause for Madeline. Madeline, take it away.
Thank you. Do you guys mind unsharing your screen really quickly so I can share mine? Okay, can everyone see my screen okay? Oh, all right. Hello, my name is Madeline Bethel, and I'm the product marketing manager for Western Digital. For WD Purple has been a leader in the video surveillance industry for the past decade. It was the first HDD specifically designed for video surveillance recording. Over the years, it has earned a reputation for reliability among partners, installers, and integrators who trust in it to perform consistently. In 2025, we've shifted from video surveillance recording to smart video recording. This reflects a broader shift from reactive monitoring to proactive data-driven insights. Smart video is now used in diverse environments like factories, retail stores, and parking garages. It enables applications such as telematic and behavioral tracking, traffic flow analysis, and access control integration. This transformation is powered by advancements in camera technology, including widespread adoption of 4K and higher resolutions. Higher resolutions means higher storage demands. Moving from 1080p to 4K typically increases storage needs by 2 to 3 times, even with compression technologies. AI video analytics is the biggest driver of change in storage today. We've moved beyond simple motion detection to object detection and recognition, facial recognition, and classification of people, pets, packages, and more. AI systems require more storage, not just for recording events, but also for learning from them. This shifts the definition of archival versus active storage. AI engines need access to historical data to improve accuracy over time. Retention requirements are also increasing. Many industries are now requiring months or even a full year of video retention per camera, driven by regulations. The key takeaway here being that customers should always choose a drive that not only meets today's needs, but also supports future upgrades in cameras, recorders, and AI analytics. Now, let's take a closer look at what we have, which is called all-frame AI technology. When a camera captures an image, it sends that data to its onboard processor or GPU, which then breaks it into multiple streams. These streams are then sent to the recorder or the VMS, video management system. Typical streams include our primary and secondary video streams, auxiliary or snapshot streams, and metadata streams. These streams all vary in size, frequency, and importance. Video streams are large, continuous, and predictable, whereas metadata and auxiliary data are smaller and arrive at random intervals. WD drives prioritize performance by intelligently managing where the data is written. High-resolution video streams are written on the outer edges of the disk platter where performance is at its highest. And then smaller, less frequent data is temporarily stored in cache and then later written to the inner disk areas. This ensures that all data, video and metadata, is stored reliably without loss. Our all-frame AI technology is designed to handle this complexity, ensuring smooth operation even with up to 64 cameras writing to a single drive. Now, let's talk about the actual drives here. This is our WD Purple portfolio of smart video hard drive devices. This covers you from edge storage and recorders and getaways to advanced storage systems. One of the ways in which we provide the right storage for the job is through our two WD Purple family brands. Our WD Purple HDDs were introduced as the solution for mainstream DVRs and NVRs. As these mainstream DVRs and NVRs employed more smart video technology, we have had to refresh our products to ensure that they keep up with the additional demands. At the same time, we understand that in addition to reliable 24/7 operation, our WD Purple HDDs need to continue to be power efficient and cost effective. For more advanced systems, we see that the need for more capacity, performance, and durability. So for these systems, we have the WD Purple Pro HDD product line. These are built for enterprise class standards, ready for any high-end recorders, video analytics servers, or deep learning solutions. Now let's take a deeper look into our WD Purple drive. WD Purple is a market-leading brand of video surveillance and smart video HDDs. It is designed for the need of mainstream NVR and DVRs, optimized with all-frame technology to ensure multiple simultaneously camera streams that can be stored without dropping frames. The latest model of our WD Purple HDDs introduced 2 terabytes per platter CMR technology. With the 2 terabytes per platter, it is a significant milestone in storage because it aligns with the most common capacity points in smart video, being 2 terabyte, 4 terabyte, and 6 terabyte, providing optimized configurations to deliver among the best in power efficiency and cost efficiency. CMR technology is preferred for heavy workloads such as video surveillance or smart video. So these new platforms combine the most efficient and most appropriate HDD technology for smart video, 2 terabyte per platter, and CMR. In addition, we've implemented additional intelligence in all-frame technology that we've just been speaking about. These enhancements are specifically designed to better handle the increased workloads driven by greater AI functionality in mainstream recorders. In the end, these new drives are intended to continue to lead the industry in providing capable HDDs for the video surveillance, security, and analytics in mainstream recorders, while maintaining power efficiency and cost effectiveness. And then last but certainly not least is our WD Purple Pro HDDs. These are again designed for higher end AI enabled recorders and also for video analytics and deep learning servers and solutions. WD Purple Pro HDDs feature higher performance, higher capacity points, more robustness and durability than standard WD Purple HDDs. WD Purple Pro HDDs are true enterprise class drives that can be trusted to handle the heaviest workloads and heaviest data written that are thrown at it. For storage for emerging smart video analytics servers, analysis applications, and deep learning servers, look no further than our WD Purple Pro HDDs. Okay, and thank you all for listening to my presentation. Please feel free to put any questions you may have in the chat, and then I will hand it back to Joel. I hope you guys all have a great rest of your day.